College of DuPage Continuing Education offers several short-term, non-credit career training programs in the healthcare industry. Our programs focus on high-need, entry-level healthcare professions where students can rapidly train and begin employment. Our short-term trainings help non-degree seeking students move into the workforce quickly, but they also serve as great starting points to explore higher-level healthcare disciplines and degree programs. The continuing education team actively engages and seeks input from leaders in the healthcare industry to provide top-notch training while meeting current workforce needs. Areas of study in our healthcare program include dental assistant, pharmacy technician, veterinary assistant, and massage therapy. College of DuPage Continuing Education also offers 2 very short-term healthcare training options with our Caregiver and Contact Tracer programs. All of our programs are affordable and offered with flexibility, allowing many students to train for new careers while working full-time. Our dental assistant, pharmacy technician, and veterinary assistant programs are great places to start for students who want to train quickly and take a fast track to employment in these high-demand healthcare occupations. The Dental Assistant Program prepares students to deliver patient care and chairside support to dentists during exams and procedures. Dental Assistant training can serve as a springboard into College of DuPage degree programs such as dental hygiene or even into dentistry programs at other colleges and universities. Our pharmacy technician training is recognized by the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board and fully prepares students to take the National Certification Exam. Pharmacy technician students learn to assist pharmacists in all daily tasks while gaining the communication skills to effectively interact with patients and other healthcare professionals. Students passionate about caring for animals pursue a rewarding career with the Veterinary Assistant Program at College of DuPage. This hybrid program is designed to prepare students to work with animals in laboratories, animal hospitals, and clinics. Students perform surgical preparation and animal nursing under the supervision of veterinary professionals. These programs can be completed in 1 semester, and each includes a critical externship component. Externships integrate classroom knowledge and theory with real field experience, provide networking opportunities, and directly prepare students for employment. Massage therapy is also a fast-growing field and a popular program in the continuing education healthcare portfolio. Students are trained in Swedish massage and more advanced techniques, such as prenatal and trigger point. Our in-depth massage curriculum also includes study of anatomy, physiology, pathophysiology, and kinesiology, and prepares students to take the Illinois State Licensing Exam. Continuing education works closely with area employers in these high-growth fields to ensure that our comprehensive training is up-to-date and consistent with industry standards and needs. 2 other programs also offer students interested in healthcare an opportunity to gain skills necessary to seek immediate employment. Students who want to explore a career in nursing may be interested in starting off with our Caregiver program. This week-long course covers topics such as client communication, basic hygiene, infection control, time management, and patient safety in order to prepare students for jobs as personal caregivers. Our Contact Tracer program meets a critical community need in a quick and affordable virtual format. This introductory online course focuses on the science of COVID-19 and why contact tracing is an effective public health intervention. Students learn how to build rapport with cases and identify contacts to stop transmission in their communities. Continuing education's short-term healthcare training programs lay a solid groundwork for career and college pathways that meet a wide variety of students' educational and personal goals. Students who complete these trainings and achieve employment have taken a first crucial step upon which they can move up the healthcare career ladder. To learn more about all the short-term healthcare programs offered through the Continuing Education Department at College of DuPage, please visit cod.edu/healthcare.